1A Clifton Avenue, Newcastle in Galway. So the problem today was that there was no underfloor heating. So when we investigated, there was no power coming to the stats. So I took off this stat and it wasn't getting power. There was live to the logic strip, but nothing happening there either. So when we looked at the two timers, this one, they're labelled now, but anyway, this one was on, this was labelled heating and hot water, but in actual fact the hot water is done automatically by the heat pump. Now this timer was on, but it mustn't have been on for long enough, and this is the one that takes power to the underfloor heating, and it's now labelled as such. And this one gives power to the radiator's motorised valve. So this timer controls heating to the radiators in the attic, and this timer controls heating to the underfloor on the ground floor and the first floor. So it seems now like it's working. There's power coming to this now, and we can see we've just one zone on now at the moment, and there's one blue ring on. I'm just going to test the rest of those and make sure they're all okay. And we're getting flow and heat there. In addition, there was some things up in the hot press which I'll show you. So up here in the hot press we have the heating pressure gauge, and that pressure gauge was at 0, which causes airlocks in the underfloor, and I've now filled that up, and it's at 1 bar, which is fine. I might make it a little bit more, put up to 1.5 perhaps. And I've labelled the radiator motorised valve, which will help everybody else in future. And then I've labelled this 3-way motorised valve, which changes between heating and hot water. So that's it. That's the work done today. It all seems to be. Rads are working, underfloor's working, and things are now labelled, which will help the tenants now and in the future.